name is Jessica Jimerson, and welcome to Beginner's Tutorials for Silo 2.2. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you around the basic interface of Silo, as well as some of the options that it's capable of. First off, navigation. To zoom in and out, simply hold both mouse keys down, mouse buttons, and the Alt key, and drag your mouse back and forth, and you can zoom out and zoom in like this. To rotate, you hold down the Alt key and your left mouse button, and you just simply drag your mouse around, like so. And to create primitives, just right-click the screen, go to Create, and you have all these different shapes to choose from: cube, cylinder, etc. And I'm just going to create a cube for this tutorial. So, as you can see here, this button down here is the object selection mode. When this one is selected, it selects the whole object. This one is a multiple selection mode, which allows you to select all the parts of the object in different ways. The edge selection is here, the face selection, and the vertex selection is here. This one is just the face selection mode. This is just the edge selection mode, and this is just the vertex selection mode. Going over into the manipulation tools, this is the move tool. It allows you to move your object in any direction, as you can see. This is the rotation tool. You can rotate your object in different directions, however you want it to be. This is the scale tool. If you hold down from the center box, you can scale the object as a whole. If you just want to scale a certain side, you just drag from that side, as you can see. It's pretty basic. This is the multiple selection mode, where it has all three options in it. You have the move tool, you have the rotation tool, and you have the scale tool, all in one, so it's pretty neat. Now I'm going to go in and show you some basic modeling options that are over here. I'm just going to make a new cube. And if you go over to Mode in your selection tab, that's open automatically the first time you open Silo. And I'm going to go to Face Selection, select the top of the cube, and I'm going to hit Extrude. From here, I'm just going to drag the little yellow ball. It turns white when you have your mouse over it, and as you can see, I am extruding in or out the box as I please. Also, I can scale this extruded face in or out, so it's a pretty cool way to model. It's a basic way of modeling. Also, you can select loops by going into Edges, selecting one of the edges, and hitting Select Loop. As you can see, it goes all the way around. And now if I want to, say, scale the edges that are selected, I can. Sometimes if you have some really complex model, it won't go all the way around, but generally it does a pretty good job. Let's see, what else? This is the selection tab. It has some interesting selection modes, like soft selection. If you're familiar with any other type of modeling programs, you'll know what that is. It just creates influence over your selection and drags other polygons along with your selection, depending on how soft or hard you have it on. This is the UV for unwrapping your models once you have them finished. I went over that already in one of my previous tutorials. This is the Display tab. It shows you what you want to have displayed, so that's pretty useful. This is Editor Options. You can open up your material editor here and apply new materials to your object. So I'm going to select my object as a whole and just put the gray on. So you see how that works, and you can just close it up when you're done with the X. Also, it's a lot of great options in here. Numerical editor, etc. You have the Modify, which has all these great tools like Cut and Boolean. They're all pretty useful, as well as some of the options that are available over here. This would be the Shortcut, which are the tools that you would be most commonly using when you're modeling. And you can just save out your files. That would be save scene, and that's pretty much it. It's a pretty straightforward program. It's easy to use, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching. Until next week.